Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So what you need to do is, first of all, you'll have to log in into your crypto.com, and once you're logged in, this is what the interface is going to look like. After that, you'll have to tap on the logo located right at the bottom right in center. Just tap on it. After you tap on it, on the other page you'll have to select the wallet, so then tap on crypto wallet, which is right on top. Now you'll have to select your cryptocurrency, so then select it accordingly. You can tap on any of the currency that you want. After you're done selecting your cryptocurrency, next interface you'll have to tap on sell, which is right on top. First of all, you'll have to tap on flat wallet right on top, and after that you'll have to select the amount of Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer or withdraw. After you're done entering the amount, next you'll have to tap on GBP, and once you're done selecting on it, next you'll have to tap on sell, which is right at the bottom. So then on the last interface, all you need to do is make sure to go through all of your information correctly, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm, which is right at the bottom. So then on the last interface, you'll be notified that the cryptocurrency has been transferred or withdrawn to your account successfully. So that is how you can withdraw money from your crypto.com to your bank account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.